How to use PayPal. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To start off, you need to log in into your PayPal account. Use your username or your phone number and enter your password to log in into your PayPal account. If you are using a browser, you will see an interface like this. To use your PayPal account, it is pretty simple. PayPal is just like any other payment application where you can send, receive money, and also pay for your bills. If you're wondering how to send a money to someone, you will see a big Send Money button right in your home page. Just select on Send Money. Now you can send the money to the person by typing on their name, username, email, and mobile number. After which, you'll enter the amount of money that you want to send to the person. Or just tap on a linked bank account. By this way, you'll be able to send the money to the person. Simply, if you want to add money to your own PayPal account, you will have the option of Request Money. Select on it. In this case, you will have to enter some of your bank details or debit or credit card detail in order to transfer money to your very own PayPal account. And if you're wondering how you can link your debit or bank account, it is pretty simple. If you scroll down, you will see the option of cards. Tap on Link a card. Now, by entering your card or your debit or credit card details, you'll be able to link your bank account as well. Just enter the 16-digit number over here, after which you need to select the card type. Enter the expiration date and your security code. Enter your billing address and tap on Link Card. After which, the payment and request will be much more easier. Isn't it simple to use? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.